Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. We are gonna unbox a Boxy charm. So my unboxings have been a bit behind since the accident, and really I'm just trying to play catch up right now and see what is in store. I still haven't received my December Boxy Lux yet, so I believe this one was November's Boxy charm. Let's take a look. So here we have pink little inside. Of course, the foam inserts, that's pretty standard. We have Boxy Charm brand brushes. Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics. That logo looks really familiar. Correct me if I'm wrong, isn't that the same as the Dose of Colors? It looks really similar, if not. Eternal Light, Fireball, and Black Matter. I don't even see Eternal Light really on my skin. It just kind of disappeared. A sample. I don't ever remember really receiving samples before, but we have, looks like a Becca foundation. Oh, speaking of Becca, we have a Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Vanilla Quartz. It's a compact. Ooh, that looks interesting. It kind of looks like the bottom of like a battery or a bullet or something. Crazy. Cute little insert design. Does not look like it comes with a brush, so you'd have to use your own brush, which is fine. Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. I literally just picked this up at Ulta on my own. That's funny. And for the last two items, Boxy Charm gave a Morning Google Eye Mask Brighten and Protect and Evening Google Eye Mask. Not Google, Goggle. Morning Goggle Eye Mask and Evening Goggle Eye Mask. So one is to brighten and protect, and the other one is to repair and relax. Your nighttime skin routine is just as good as your morning skin routine, if not more important. You know what? Made with silver, caffeine, algae complex, pumpkin, ooh, and pomegranate. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh God, it's spraying everywhere. Hello, hi Juicy, what are you doing? Ooh. Boxy Charm raising their prices. I don't think consumers should get just one face mask, or face mask should not be a part of it. I seriously feel like either like a stripper superhero, if that makes any kind of sense. It just got random stars on there like, they call me Glitzy. Pow pow, Glitzy to the rescue. Yes, it is sliding all around. Ooh, it is so juicy. Juicy Glitz to the rescue. My superpower is glitter everywhere. And then just glitter bomb. Starglow here are ready to fight our evil nemesis, Negative Nancy. So bad. Glitter bomb reporting for duty. Did you guys ever see How I Met Your Mother? Robin Sparkles. Starshine reporting. Sailor Scout Rejects 101. Too bad it's not Halloween. I would literally just put this on and walk around and be done. Actually, that's not a bad idea, because then my skin would be protected and getting hydrated along the way. So, might actually be a thing. Sparkle Bobbles here reporting for duty. And massage any remaining serum while you're dripping all over the place. So I'm going to say that just rub the package all over. And apparently Boxy Charm is doing their own brushes. Did I read that correctly? Boxy Charm. No, I mean, yeah, we tend to get makeup brushes in our Boxy boxes, whether it's the Boxy Lux or regular monthly subscription box, but apparently they're doing their own brushes now. These are pretty dense, synthetic. I've had foundation brushes kind of like this before, not necessarily in this shape with this handle, but it was not my favorite. They're nice contour brushes, but for full face, I just felt that they were a little streaky. So hopefully the BoxyCharm ones perform a bit better than the ones I've tried in the past. Never fear, Sparkle Bubble is here to save the day. Negative Nancy is at it again. Darn. Don't worry, gang. We promise to stop her evil plans and never let anyone dull your shine. Feeling like a Rainbow Bright reject here. Who writes this shit? Oh, I do.